first type of holoblastic cleavage is radial holoblastic cleavage. Radial holoblastic cleavage takes place in the amphioxus and in the echinoderms, mainly in the sea urchin. So how this holoblastic cleavage takes place? We have already seen what is holoblastic cleavage. Holo is complete. So complete egg division is taking place and therefore it is termed as the holoblastic cleavage. Such type of cleavage, radial holoblastic cleavage, mainly takes place in the isolecithal kinds of eggs which are present in the amphioxus and the sea urchin. Okay. So if this is a zygote, because zygote undergoes a cleavage, that is the first process of the embryogenesis, then in the radial holoblastic cleavage, the first cleavage is parallel to animal vegetal axis. If this is a zygote, then this is the animal pole and this is the vegetal pole. So cleavage is nothing but the cell division. So first cleavage furrow takes place, or first cleavage furrow is parallel to animal and vegetal pole axis and it produces two equal cells. So first cleavage is parallel. Such type of cleavage which is parallel to animal vegetal pole is called as the meridional cleavage. So by first cleavage, in the radial holoblastic cleavage, two equal cells are produced. Then these two equal cells again undergo a second cleavage and that second cleavage is also parallel in the amphioxus and in the sea urchin, which further produces four equal cells. Now this parallel cleavage, again it is called as the meridional cleavage. Then the cells undergo the third cleavage and that third cleavage is not parallel but it is perpendicular to animal vegetal pole. Such type of perpendicular cleavage which takes place is called as the equatorial cleavage. Okay, so parallel cleavage is termed as the meridional cleavage and perpendicular cleavage is termed as the equatorial cleavage. After the third cleavage, 8 equal cells are produced and 4 cells are present at the animal half and other 4 are present at the vegetal half. Now in this case, in all the three cleavages, all the three first cleavages, the equal cells are produced and therefore this cleavage, radial holoblastic cleavage, is also termed as radial equal cleavage because equal sized cells are produced. In further cleavages, a synchronous division takes place and smaller and larger cells are produced. But the first three cleavages produces equal size cells and therefore it is also termed as radial equal cleavage.